Welcome to a new era for digital nomads in Thailand. For years, remote workers faced endless visa runs and uncertainty. Now, Thailand's DTV Visa offers a 5-year multiple entry solution for online professionals. No more hiding laptops or worrying at immigration. This visa legitimizes your lifestyle. It's your ticket to stability, freedom, and a real home base in the land of smiles. In this guide, I'll show you how to apply, what you need, and why the DTV is a game changer. Let's get started on your journey to a 5-year stay in paradise. So, you're ready to embark on your digital nomad journey in Thailand? Applying for the DTV Visa might seem daunting, but don't worry. We're here to guide you through each step. First things first, to be eligible for the DTV Visa, you must be physically located outside of Thailand when you apply. This is a crucial requirement, so make sure you're not already in the country. It's important to note that you cannot switch from a tourist visa to a DTV visa while you're already in Thailand. The application must be initiated and completed from abroad. Next, you'll need to choose a Thai embassy or consulate abroad where you'll submit your application. Research the closest and most convenient option for you. Now comes the preparation phase. Carefully gather all the necessary documents required for your application. This typically includes your passport, application forms, and supporting financial documents. Once you have everything in order, schedule an appointment and apply in person at your chosen Thai embassy or consulate. Keep in mind that processing times can vary depending on the embassy or consulate and the volume of applications they're handling. However, in many cases, approval can be surprisingly quick, ranging from just a few hours to a couple of days. So keep an eye on your email. After your application is approved, you'll need to pay the DTV Visa fee, which is currently $300. The great news is that this one-time payment covers the entire 5-year validity of the visa, making it a cost-effective option for long-term stays. Once the payment is processed, you can collect your passport, now adorned with the coveted DTV Visa sticker. With your visa in hand, it's time to book your flight to Thailand and prepare for your adventure. Upon arrival in Thailand, simply present your DTV Visa to the immigration officer for a smooth and hassle-free entry process. The DTV Visa grants you an initial stay of 180 days, giving you ample time to explore and settle into your new life in Thailand. Say goodbye to the days of stressful visa interviews and complicated paperwork. With the DTV Visa, you can expect a simple stamp in your passport and a welcoming smile from the immigration officer. Congratulations! You're officially ready to start your exciting new chapter as a digital nomad in the beautiful kingdom of Thailand. Preparing your documents meticulously is absolutely crucial for ensuring a smooth and hassle-free DTV application process. Overlooking this step can lead to unnecessary delays or even rejection, so let's get it right from the start. First, you'll need a valid passport with at least 6 months of validity remaining beyond your intended stay in Thailand. Make sure those expiration dates are well in check. You'll also need 2 recently printed passport photos that meet the standard requirements. Check the specifications to ensure they are the correct size and format. Crucially, you'll need to provide official proof of residence outside of Thailand. This could be in the form of utility bills or official letters addressed to you at your home address. To demonstrate financial stability, show a recent bank statement reflecting a balance of at least 500,000 Thai baht. That's approximately $15,000 USD, demonstrating you have sufficient funds to support yourself during your stay. You'll also need to provide documentation to prove your remote work status. If you're an employee, you'll need a formal letter from your employer confirming your position and remote work arrangement. If you're a freelancer or business owner, you can provide copies of contracts with clients. Alternatively, you can showcase your portfolio or provide business registration documents to verify your professional activities. If your visit is centered around participation in specific cultural or wellness activities, be sure to include an official letter from the organization hosting or overseeing these activities. Ultimately, the goal is to clearly demonstrate that you're financially stable and self-sufficient. It's also important to show that you are genuinely engaged in remote work or actively participating in a qualifying long-term program. Ensure you gather and present these documents accurately and completely, and you'll significantly increase your chances of a successful application and visa approval. The DTV's inherent flexibility opens doors for a wide range of individuals, making it an accessible option for many seeking an extended stay in Thailand. What's the biggest advantage of securing a digital nomad visa or DTV for Thailand? It's the unparalleled stability it offers. Imagine 5 years of being able to live and work in Thailand without the constant worry of visa runs or the tedious process of frequent renewals. Each entry into Thailand grants you a generous 180-day stay, and to extend your stay, you can simply leave the country and re-enter, effectively resetting your visa duration. The multiple entry aspect of the DTV means you have the freedom to explore and travel across the diverse landscapes of Southeast Asia, knowing you can always return to your Thai base whenever you desire. And it's incredibly family-friendly. Your spouse and any dependents can easily join you in Thailand, all under the umbrella of the same visa. Priced at just $300 for the entire 5-year period, the DTV stands out as one of the most affordable and best value long-term visa options available worldwide. Furthermore, DTV holders often report smoother and more pleasant immigration experiences upon arrival. The DTV allows you to transition Thailand from being just another tourist destination and transform it into a genuine and comfortable home base. It offers unparalleled peace of mind, the freedom to explore, and a welcoming community, all bundled into one convenient visa. The DTV isn't for everyone. The $15,000 financial proof is a real hurdle for some. Gathering documents and applying from outside Thailand takes planning and effort. Freelancers may need to get creative to prove their work. Still, compared to endless tourist visas, the DTV offers unmatched stability and legitimacy. If you meet the requirements, this visa is your ticket to a sustainable, vibrant life in Thailand. Focus on your work, explore the culture, and enjoy the freedom you've always wanted. For digital nomads, the DTV is the ultimate choice. For more on a smooth experience visiting and living in Thailand, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the next video.